Guys, this is a quick tutorial on the American DJ VPAR uplight. So you plug it in here. Then once it's plugged in, you can go to the settings on the back, click mode, and get to CL as the first two letters. Then the 15 should correspond to a color. You can pop these up. Use the remote and use the up-down arrows. So there's a down arrow and an up arrow, or a plus and a minus. Use those arrows to cycle through your colors. I don't know why, but when you actually press one of these colors, like green or amber or whatever, it pops to white and then nothing works anymore. You have to actually go back to your settings again to put it back to CL. Let's see if that works. So mode, CL. Okay. Now we're going to click the down arrow. So that's working again. So these are a little bit finicky. I've been through the instruction manual and haven't been able to figure out why I can't just click the color. But be warned, if you are using these, unless you know more than I do, you want to click CL in order to be able to cycle through the colors, and then use the up-down arrows from there. And then just remember that these particular uplights are not battery powered, so you want to make sure that the venue has outlets or you have extension cords to make sure that these get plugged in. So I'll give you a side comparison of these uplights. So I used to own 18 of these Freedom Par Hex 4s by Chauvet. They're great, but they were quite expensive. So what I ended up doing was buying 20 of these Rasha Professionals, which are kind of like clones of the Chauvets, but they're much more affordable, which is really important to pass on to my clients since not everybody can spend a ton of money on these add-ons. And so with these ones, it's very simple. It includes the remote, obviously, and I can just hit the color that I want, and I'm good to go. So I definitely prefer these. Of all three of these uplights, I've gotten in order of favorite. I like these the best because of their value. You know, these are probably superior technically, but I'm not sure in what ways. In fact, this is the one that I couldn't sell because the battery died. And I only used it like 4 times. So of 18 uplights, I had one where the battery died and stopped working. So it only works when it's plugged into a wall. So, you know, my winner because of the value. And then this one is very similar to this one, but more expensive. And then this American DJ Lite, which isn't a real fair comparison because they're kind of different models, but this one I'm just frustrated with the functionality of the remote. It's been confusing me. It was frustrating to try to figure out what I just shared with you. It was a lot of figuring out by trial and error because the instruction manual didn't have it all in there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day or evening wherever you are.